Today we're looking at this dusk to dawn photo cell LED wall pack light. This is great to have and outside your barn, your warehouse, your house, anywhere that you are wanting a good amount of light to shine and be able to be in a light fixture that is going to last a long time. This is made out of aluminum, so it is going to help with the heat distribution throughout the whole thing. It is made with a glass that is not the cheap plastic like the other ones. It is a specially made type of glass with the aluminum outside that is really just going to help your light shine better. It's going to have better quality. It is able to hold up in all the weather conditions, whether it's frost, snow, rain, or high sun. This is a really nice looking one. It is a 3 different way mounting option. So you are able to install it the way that you need outside your building. Here you can see the LED light right in there. This has a hinge opening, so that way when you want to open it, you want to install it, you want to mess with it, you can take the screws off and then it'll hinge open, and that way you can see everything inside and be able to install it. It does come with things that you're going to need to install it. So you have the extra cushion, you have the screws, the wire caps. It also comes with this additional piece. And like I did say, this is photo cell, which is really nice because this piece right here is going to help the light turn on and off depending if it is dawn or dusk. So you are able to have light on constantly when it is dark and not worry about it not working or somebody forgetting to turn it on or off. It's going to automatically do it when it senses the dawn and then senses the dusk. That's really going to help with just ease and energy saving. Here you have these extra pieces that you can unscrew. You can do different things depending on your needs. You have one at the top. This is the up. It even tells you right there. Like I said, that's the photo cell right here. And another one over here, the 2 hinges. So we'll go ahead and take off the screws so you can see the inside. Here I took the screws off. You open it up. I really like that you can see the extra foam, the silicone here that is going to help keep it waterproof, so that way the water doesn't leak inside. You're going to have all that security and all those little spots throughout the screws and the closures. You can see the wires that you're going to have to work with and be able to hook up to your system. There is another port here, or another opening here that you can take out and then be able to put wires through there or whatever you need. Here you're able to see that this part will be unscrewed, taken out, so you can attach it to your wall, to the electrical outlet outside. This one is the 120 watt. It's going to give you the security light that you're going to need, the visibility, just being able to cover such a big space. So that way you can watch your area, you can keep it lit so that people stay away, and just know that you are saving energy by having this being a dawn to dusk photo cell.